it is me, Michelle, baddest bitch out here. Short Girls is winning. No one is gonna compete to this. Are you crazy or not?
Is that natural head?
Is that a question? Cause this is so natural.
Let me see you hit the 360.
Look at this 360. This is crazy.
Hold on, show me it again.
360.
But why you moving it so goddamn
Because
fast?
I could.
Let me see. Let me see how natural your shit is.
Check it out. Ouch! Are you pulling my hair? Cause this is a bad bitch hair.
This is hair?
Yes, it is hair.
Is this yours?
Duh.
Oh, my bad hair.
Give me my hair. Like, are you serious?
I thought this was natural.
It is.
Bitch, this shit don't look natural. This shit look like it was sewing. Hold on.
Baddest bitch out here.
You bad? Let me
serious?
see. Let me see. No, then why the fuck your hair is falling? Who the fuck did this?
Nobody, cause it's natural.
You sure?
Yes. Ouch! Give me my hair. This is the baddest bitch, and you was not fucking with me. Are you serious?
You said this is real.
It is real.
I'm making you fight for your fucking hair then.
Give me my hair.
I thought you said this was real. Look at this shit.
I got one. I need the other piece.
No.
This is the baddest bitch. No compete, no matter what.
No competition, bitch. You know why there's no competition? Cause you fucking lost. What the fuck? What the fuck is this?
Ouch!
What you mean, ouch?
2 out of 3, bitch. Give me my hair, nigga.
Come here.
I don't care. Give
Come
me
here.
my hair.
Come here.
Give me
Come on.
$2.99, boo. $2.99 plus tax.
But you
receipt.
You said this was natural.
It is.
Oh my god, hold on, time out. And you still got more. And hold on. You got a little nice little fucking curl here. Is it real?
Yes.
Or no?
Or not nothing. This is real, all natural, boo.
You sure?
Ouch. Give me my hair.
Yo, little by little, your hair is just falling. Hold on. You still talking like it's natural?
Ouch. Come on. Are you serious? Still the baddest bitch out here?
Yeah.
Or not?
Oh yeah.
Still bad. Still bad. You violated me.
Alright, put it back on your head. I'm sorry.
I'm out. Still the baddest bitch. Still bad.
You left your hair here.
I'll pick it up next week.
Okay.